Did you know America's most famous bank robber was so polite he would apologize to his victims? Willie Sutton robbed over 100 banks in 40 years, but he wasn't your typical criminal. Sutton was a master of disguise. He posed as a police officer to walk right into banks, dressed as a mailman to blend in with crowds, even pretended to be a Hollywood director. He studied each target for weeks, memorized guard schedules, mapped out vault locations, planned every detail. But here's what made him legendary. He never fired his gun, always said please and thank you, often apologized for the inconvenience. The media claimed he said, "I rob banks because that's where the money is." Sutton denied ever saying it. His downfall came from the most unlikely source. A clothing salesman spotted him on a Brooklyn subway and called police. Sutton spent 33 years behind bars across multiple escapes and captures. But here's the twist. He later became a security consultant for banks, used his criminal expertise to help them prevent robberies. He earned more money legally than he ever stole illegally.